So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. And today I will be doing this third challenge, the landing page. So here, what we'll have to do is we'll have to add a call to action button to the landing page, and of course it will be a desktop version, not a mobile version. So yeah, we will go jump down to XT, and then we will have to make. Okay, so we have our 1920 by 1080 artboard size artboard. So we'll start with maybe just a few grids. We'll start with the grids, and once we have turned on the grid part, so our artboard, our workspace should be in this 12 grid artboard thing. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so first we'll put our logo of the company, and I'll try to find some logo today, some logo for. Okay, so our logo will look like this, and for the menu part we'll have to put home, about us, about about us, and then maybe about us, and then there is this what can we put? Contact, blog, and then we'll put a contact us. Then we'll put a contact us. For now we'll keep only 4 as our main menu part. So as you're seeing, this is not a finished one. So yeah, I'm just putting a wireframe basic thing. So our graphic should come somewhere here, and maybe our header, and then our body, and then comes our CTA button. We'll keep 2 CTA buttons for now, so that so we have 2 CTA buttons here, and this is roughly what our design is going to look like. So let's start making the original one. I will be using the font Poppins today. P-O-P-P, Poppins. And yeah, we have a pretty good font. This is also for the UI. And yeah, so we'll make this center line. So we'll have to distribute this also. Once this is distributed, and then we'll remove this. Okay, for now, and we might have to give a color combination. So our color combination for the day is 2 color combinations. One is orange and one is blue. So we'll go with this orange, and then maybe this blue, or darker, or this blue looks good. So these two are our thing. So why can't we make this as our logo? So yeah, this is our art with the logo looks like. And what I will do is I will just put in my name as the company name, so we can make a pretty good one in this. As you see, we are using 2 colors, and yeah. So for this I will be using our, okay, wait. Let me remove the grid for now, else I can't select colors. Okay, so I'll go with orange here, and then blue here. So this is what our logo looks like, and I'll make it a little bold. So once this, I'll group, will make this Control G, and then centerline this, so that yeah, our thing looks good. So yeah, we'll make this middle, and we'll pull this little up. Okay, so we have our this thing, menu part. So for this I will be actually keeping maybe light, and this one will go a little bold so that it looks like it is selected. I think, can we keep, there is no semi bold in this font, so we'll go with a small arrow, small line actually. Damn. Okay, I will select both, and I'll go with maybe the text should be the orange one. Okay, wait. Just let me put this colors here. So this is orange and this will be our blue, and we'll keep the gaps rounded. So this kind of looks uh, good for the menu. So yeah, let me put a little bit. I actually don't want to give a border, so like there will be border like this basically, which I don't want to give it personally. So there will be something like this, maybe a drop shadow with this, but yeah, I'll not be giving this. We could use that, but I'll not give it. Okay, so I'll go with some text. Okay, I'll put a text. Okay, this will be maybe a portfolio. Okay, or not a portfolio, maybe some software. What can we think of? We can think of something like maybe a cloud-based service company, cloud service company. So yeah, we'll give a tagline like to keep to keep your safe cloud. Okay, so I'll give this orange, and I think the orange, yeah. So I'll go with maybe 50. Huh. This looks fine to me. So I'll just make this thing okay, and I'll be giving a random text, maybe a lorem ipsum here, and where is it? Plugins, quick lorem ipsum. Oh, okay. What is happening? Quick lorem ipsum, and I'll reduce the size to maybe 30, and maybe this goes to the darker version. Okay, maybe little dark. Okay, this is fine, and we'll have to make this regular. Control A, and then again lorem ipsum. It'll fill in. So yeah, I'll go look for some illustrations. I'll go for a website called undraw.com. Undraw, and yeah. Okay, it's an open source illustration for any idea. So what we'll do is we'll browse now. We might even give a search for illustration. What is our? It's a cloud-based operating, cloud-based service. So we have a lot of cloud-based service thing here. So what we could use, we could maybe use cloud docs. What can we use? Okay, we could use yeah, lot of them are there. Okay, we could use, what could we use? Lot of options, and yeah, I think I'll go with the first one only. This thing, cloud sync. Okay, actually, what I think is I'll go with multiple options. For now, I'll keep it in desktop. I'll go with this. Okay, so I'll drag it directly from here to here, and then I'll go back to Chrome, get this here. Okay, so basically we have two illustrations here. We could make it a little, we might resize it, and yeah, we might not require everything from the thing, but what I think is okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, so I'll make this a group and make it small so that it fits in our circle here. We'll go here white and Control Z. I'll choose this and make it in this color, and then I'll make this in white, so our logo will be visible here. And similar thing, I'll grab a few more logos from here. Okay. Control C, Control V. You might have to make it a little small. Control Z, Control V, Control G, and then we'll make it smaller. We'll take it to this same spot, and we have AWS logo. Okay. We'll take it here, Control X to Control V. Okay, so we have our logos and we have our illustrations also. So yeah, we might have to make it a little big. This looks fine. And what we have to do is we'll have to match this illustration with the color scheme what we are using. So we might have to go with orange for this, and the hand also goes to our blue. Okay, these things. It's all grouped. I will go back to our assets, orange, blue, orange. Okay, one mistake what I did is to make this white. So we should not do a lot of changes with the logo. We'll have to keep that in our mind. I am just doing it for my own purpose, so it's okay. Oh, nice. So I think I'll keep this as blue and this line as orange. So our what orange? Okay, I took this orange and this one also orange. So our illustration is finished, and I think we'll make it a rounded corner 12. Everything will keep it 12. Okay, 12. It looks neat. Okay, so this part is done. Now it's our time. Now it's time for CTA buttons to be done. Okay, CTA buttons. How can we keep CTA buttons? We'll keep it a box, not sharp one, but yeah, we'll keep it a little rounded so that it's not tricky. You can always look into my previous video where I've discussed all this items, how to be used. Okay, so what color can we keep? Blue, orange. Orange looks nice, right? So we will keep orange. We might even reduce the height of this. So okay, we'll keep it Huh. So we need not do that. Okay. So what we do is we'll give a free trial, and then sign up. Okay. Sign up. I think we'll have to give sign up more preference than a free trial. So we'll give this here. This goes white, and this border will become orange along with the text of it. So yeah, looks nice. 30 font is good. 30, 60, and what is this? 20. So yeah, I think we are done for now. It looks fine. Or even I could add something like what do you call that? Just a random. Okay. I will just put up maybe I'll use this to we'll take it to some other color like this. Okay, take it back. As our items are not visible, so I'll just use this to this. So we'll have our some sort of, or we could even do this vice versa. Even this looks good. Why don't we make just copy for that? It looks nice. Huh, looks nice. We could even keep this orange. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. I will keep all the links in my description, and I'll do follow me on Instagram. Link, do connect with me in LinkedIn. Yeah, we can talk in LinkedIn also. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. What can I do next? How can I improve myself in even the content creation part as well as the UI part? So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, maybe tomorrow.